Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf once again, and I'm back with a quick analysis of gold this time. Yes, well, crypto is right now steady and boring, so let's trade gold. Last time previously we traded silver and booked a huge profit, so congratulations to all of those who trade accordingly and also did their own analysis as well, because it is important to do your own analysis as well, not to listen to just one or two YouTubers. So yeah, let's get to the chart. So here I am on the golds, or we can say XAU ZOUSD daily time frame chart, and this is the chart where we do the real trading of gold, online trading of gold, and not the other chart. That is the physical chart of gold. So okay, let's get to the point. So as I already told you, the gold was in a falling wedge, and right now also it is in a falling wedge, but we are seeing some moves right here. So recently the gold's price was forming an ascending triangle pattern. I hope you remember. Well, it is a bullish pattern, but don't be confused, because the pattern can be both bullish and bearish at any time. Any pattern can be both bullish and bearish. So it is important to trade on the breakout or breakdown only. So we can clearly see the price was following this pink trend line, this support, and also here a support. But now we can clearly see that the price gave a breakdown of this trend line. Well, there's the chances that the price can fall down till here, this level, and then go reverse back up. This level is approx $1,900, because this hole is a very important zone of Fibonacci. So there are chances that the price can come till here and again go back up. But if it continues to fall down, if the price breaks this level to the downside, then we can see a massive move in the gold's price to the downside, and it can heavily go down till here, which I can say approx $1,880 level. So it can easily go down. But if you have watched my previous gold analysis video, I told you that I am overall bullish on gold as well. So let's see what happens, and I'll only trade gold when the price breaks this yellow trend line and also this wait, and I'm bullish on gold, and I'll only enter in a trade when the price breaks this yellow trend line to the upside and also this purple zone, the Fibonacci important zone, to the upside, both at the same time, which is at approx $1,937. Then only I'll enter in a long position on gold, and my target will be way up. So let's see what happens. Right now I'll not trade, but there's a trade opportunity, as I told you earlier, for intraday traders or scalpers. So if you guys want to trade, you can trade gold. It's a risky trade, so be cautious, but I think the price can come till here. There are chances that the price can give a retest and then fall down, but I suggest that it will be a risky trade. But there are chances that the price can come all the way till here, as I've already told you, at $1,906 level. So let's see what happens. So this was a quick analysis for the swing traders who are swing traders, and they mainly focus on some big swings like me. So I'll also enter in a trade only when the price will break these two zones to the upside, then only. And right now I'll not enter here, but I just gave an opportunity. Well, it is a risky trade, so with proper risk management and money management, if you can enter, then do feel free to enter, and also do your own analysis. Don't just take an advice from me and go in a short trade right now. Also, just for your knowledge, the RSI indicator right now is in a downtrend, following with the gold. Right now we can clearly see it is following a major trend line right now to the downside. So there is one more confluence only, that if the RSI indicator right here, if the RSI indicator breaks this white trend line to the upside, then only I'll enter in a long, because at the same time the price will be breaking this yellow trend line and this purple zone. So this will be a good opportunity for me. And guys, if you want to trade gold, silver, or any other commodities or US stocks, you can do that easily on XNest. XNES is a broker, or you can say a trading platform that I use mainly for Forex and commodities and US stocks for trading. It is easy to use. You can create an account for free on XNES. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked today's video. This is a quick short video on gold. If you want to scalp, you can scalp easily, and if you are a swing trader, you can also swing trade on the best opportunity that will be coming in a few days. Link of XNES will be in the description, so do create an account. See you guys next time. Bye.